Ooh, what are they? I haven't seen them before. They look nice. I did some baking last night. I couldn't see anything good on TV, so I put some music on and tried a new cracker recipe. Well, it's not totally new. I had a crack a few days ago to try out, and the test batch worked well, so I made another. Can I try some? Yeah, I've got two types, plain and chilli. Plain, please. These are good. I'm still trying to work a few things out, but the recipe's definitely going in my cookbook. Are they easy to make? They're not hard, but rolling the dough flat before baking takes a bit of effort. I'll get back to you with the recipe. Thanks.